Are we blowing up Psycho Clown?
Yeah, he's psycho.
Is that, what is it called? Scary Chucky Clown or Bear or something?
It creeps me out. So he's gonna hook a bee onto it, and it's gonna fly.
Oh. Is he hooking a bee onto it or a firework?
A bee firework.
I didn't think so.
Woo! Grant, move out of the way, son.
So awesome, right?
Looks like I have a full battery. That can't be right, could it?
Mom, can I see?
Or I have no battery, I'm not sure. Almost no battery.
Yeah.
Honey, you want to go up and shower? Go ahead and get showered. Do you need to shave too? Are you okay?
Yeah. Oh, it's a long time too. I'm glad you're excited. I'm glad you're happy. Oh, it's gonna get more than burned.
I'll stick one of those big ball things up in it and it goes somewhere.
But it always has
Why
to
you
blow up
camming me,
stuffed animals. Like get one Hunter's had forever. Can I blow this up? No. Hunter.
Need to be a pyro specialist or something. Hey, Faith, move over, honey, so we can see. Okay, boys, back up.
What do you got? Hey, put that down. That's not a sparkler. Put it down. Put it down, please. Hunter Clayton.
Hey, by the way, this is a Husker Dome with the scooter stick. Okay? For you Joe Dirt fans out there.
Mom, I want to see. I want to see. I'll go.
How's his butt taking so light?
I'll be showing peace sign, but not meaning to.
My mom's taking pictures of you.
That's okay. I'm sorry she has to waste her film. Hopefully it's digital and she can erase it. Watch out, Pep.
Faith, scoot over, sweetie.
So, yeah, right here. So
Man, we need some mosquito spray.
Yeah, I'm getting eaten.
Oh.
there we go.
Kyle, did you find off?
Oh, that's kind of wrong, isn't it?
Yes! Yes! That's what I'm talking about. Get a close up to that one. Hold on. Now listen. It's excited about it. It's pretty happy.
Oh, that's just wrong.
Hold on. Let me go show them.
It's still singing.
Kyle, did you find off?
Ooh, let's go get some off.